Hey guys, welcome back, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to be telling you guys how to improve your handwriting. These are some tips I got from family and friends, and these are not all my original tips. Some tips I got for myself, but mostly from family and friends. So let's just get on to the video. So guys, this first tip is a tip you guys may not think you want to get into, or a tip you guys don't think is very important, but this is to not change your handwriting but fix it. So not a lot of people talk about changing their handwriting, but what are you going to change if you don't have a handwriting to change? And that's where we get into fixing it. If you guys don't really know how to fix a handwriting, one thing you can do is write down a sentence. The sentence in the description consists all the letters in the alphabet, so go write it down. It will be in the description. You guys can rewrite that sentence, point out all the alphabets that you guys can do right, and try focus on them individually instead of focusing on them as a word in total. And this will change you so much. It will change your handwriting, change everything. It helped me a lot. As you guys can see, my E's weren't proper, and every time I used to write a word, I used to focus on other alphabets that I was really good at, not the ones I was bad at. So try write this down and rewrite the sentence like I did. See how much progress you've made after writing the alphabets that you don't understand properly a few times. This next tip is a really important tip, and a tip not a lot of people find out, and it's not really easy to point out. And this is uppercase, lowercase, and levels. So what I mean by this is your uppercase letters should stay uppercase and your lowercase letters should stay lowercase. And levels means if your lowercase letters are a specific size, the rest of your lowercase letters have to be a specific size. So I just want to stop this video to just ask you guys to answer this question, whether how long you guys have procrastinated on fixing your handwriting, and how long have you guys not fixed your handwriting basically. So personally, it's been 7 years I've been procrastinating to fix my handwriting, not fixing it or anything, but just answer right up there, the I up there, and let's just get on to the explanation. I want to mention that you guys are going to need a pencil for this and a ruler for this, because we're gonna have to be in line for the lowercase letters. So what I normally do, what I used to do before I got used to it, was I used to just draw a line between my lined paper so it could soften the lined paper or make it as small as I wanted my lowercase letters to be. So I'd write my uppercase letter, and then my lowercase letters would not go anyhow above my line, and that would just keep everything organized. And I just erase the line and it looks so much more organized and cute. So yeah. This next tip is a tip I should have probably covered up in the start of the video, but it's actually to find a personalized style, handwriting style, and there are so many places where you can find this. You can find this on Instagram, Pinterest, anywhere, literally anywhere. And a place I saw not a lot of people go, I recognize not a lot of people go to, is YouTube for some reason. I personally am a YouTube person, and I had to find my advice there because I love YouTube. So you can even go check out your handwriting styles on YouTube. That's what I prefer. This next tip is a tip I don't think you guys will really want to do, but this could just take your handwriting to the next level, and this is grammar. Before you click out of this video, what I mean by grammar is your punctuations, and not exactly grammar. Your words don't have to be spelled correctly as long as they look good. I mean, yeah, but just punctuations just make your handwriting look so much better, and it will make it look way more professional. So right now we're going to be focusing on whether we like it without grammar, punctuations, and whether we like it with grammar, punctuations. So we're just gonna wait after I finish this, and we're gonna see which one looks better. The purple one is with grammar, which I think I'm gonna choose because I already saw this, I made this video, but see for yourself whether you like the one with grammar, without grammar, and you will just, this is your own choice. You guys don't have to pick this one, but this is your own choice, and it'll just take your handwriting level to the end. Plus, this could benefit you maybe if you're in a hurry you'll be used to writing in grammar, and it will just benefit you all the way. So yeah. So as you guys can see, the purple one is with grammar, and I think it just looks way more professional, and again, it benefits you. But the pinkish one does not really look that much professional. It's up to you guys, by the way. You don't have to. It just looks like a long sentence. So I'm not really into long sentences, but yeah, just pick your own choice. This next one here also collaborates with the uppercase, lowercase, and leveling. It's as important as those ones, and it's something that not a lot of people see, and it's spacing. So I've noticed when I help friends with their handwriting, they normally don't focus on their spacing. They normally see that, okay, it has to be straight, it has to be small, but it also has to be about the spacing. So personally, I will just show you guys the letters, how they look with the spacing, without the spacing, and with a good amount of spacing, and you guys will just tell whether you guys see a difference, if it looks cool or if it just looks too neat, or if it's just not your style, and you guys will pick that. And yeah, so as you guys can see, this first one, Fox, it is too much spacing, and imagine writing like that for your whole paragraph. That's just too much spacing, and that's not good. The second one is going to be too little spacing. So as you guys can see, it looks squashed up, it looks so unneat. It may look small and in the same lane, but the spacing is not correct, and it just looks so squashed up, like it has no space. This fourth one, I just wrote a third one for some reason, but this third one, it's just okay. It's maybe in between, but not just what I want. This last one is perfect. So yeah. Guys, we have made it to the end of the video, and the last tip I have for you guys is to be consistent. So normally people don't take this seriously because not a lot of people want to be consistent, and it may take their time, but if you're consistent, consistency is the best policy. I go with that. And if you guys procrastinate, or if you guys just don't write the way you want to write, and if you guys don't follow all these tips and take a day, like one day, just to watch this video, to just do this with me, if you guys don't do that, you will not achieve the handwriting you want. Plus, writing is not that bad. It's not like exercising. I hate exercising. Comment if you guys love exercising, because I don't. I used to, but I don't. Anyways, really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and really hope you guys love this video. Really hope you guys like this video. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it if you guys just, yeah, I don't know what else to say. This is all I have for you guys. Comment if you guys also want me to do a how I take notes video. I would be open to do that. But thanks for watching. Bye.